So I made a DQ Blizzard style birthday cake ice cream without the sprinkles, but this time I'm gonna do it with the sprinkles or confetti, whatever. This time, let's get it. I'm just gonna take this quick fiber matrix real quick, just so it could keep my blood sugar levels low and give me the nutrients and fat burning that my body needs real quick. Just gonna shake it, drink it up. Alright, and we're good to go. Alright, now that that's out of the way, let's give this ice cream a try. That big scoop here, man. Welcome. Yeah, that's more like it. Now that's a DQ Blizzard style birthday cake ice cream, man. Add the sprinkles this time. Alright, catch you guys later.